Good morning, my amazing people. How are you guys doing?
How are you guys?
Normal school run, so good morning, everyone. We're on our way now. Today is Monday. Happy New Week to you all. I'll get my shawl outside. It's too cold. Mommy, I hand shoe get in our school. Okay. The weather is too cold though. Let me
hold.
close myself very well.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh yeah, let's start going.
Man.
Oh, shift to. How are you guys doing? Emily, Ritu. Oh no. How are you guys doing? Good morning. Nah, life and name. I walk quarter. I come here to go frozen. I'm just a hand shoe. Yeah, but I can make you, but I go the first. Hi, good morning. Hi. No Sija. No CG. Hi. How are you doing? Mama, sit. Good morning. Welcome to my live stream. On our way now to kindergarten. Thank you for the thumbs up. Where are you watching us from? That's my hand. I have to wear one hand. One that I use in holding this phone.